How to transfer money from Paysafecard to PayPal. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can get your funds from your Paysafecard account to your PayPal account. So, of course, first of all, you will need a Paysafe account and you will need your funds to be in your Paysafe account. And then you are going to need a PayPal account. Then we're going to go to a third-party app, which is the only way to do so. If you don't have a third-party app, you will not be able to transfer from Paysafecard to PayPal. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to look for Exchangely. There are a few third-party apps out there that you can use, but I found that Exchangely is actually the quickest and the most efficient. So right over here, you will see this is their homepage, and over here it says transfer Paysafe to PayPal, and you're going to just travel down, and it's very, very simple. Right over here, you can see that they offer a 2% fee on a transaction. There are no fees below 25 euros. You also have safe and easy transfers, and it is literally the fastest transfer platform on the market, and there are no hidden costs. So that is fantastic. On the right hand side, you will see a transfer now window. So right over here, you're going to go ahead and where it says card number, you are going to enter in your 16-digit Paysafe card number. Once you're done, you're going to go down to the email address and you are going to enter the email address that is associated with your PayPal account. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and select the currency that you are exchanging, and on this note, you must make sure that the currency is selected in the Paysafe card, and then it must also be available in your PayPal account. So you're going to select the currency of choice, and then you are going to enter in the value over here, so you can see that you can either exchange it by one, or you can put in a number over there, and you will now hit transfer now, and it will be transferred from your Paysafe card to your PayPal account quickly and easily. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.